Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do this little hair tutorial thing because I love my hair and I want it to look good. So this is my hair right now. Let's just measure it real quick from the front. So this is my bust, and we could say about an inch under my bust. Yeah, it was an inch. So I'm now going to get some green Amla oil and I'm going to apply it to my scalp, and I'm going to just massage it in, and we're going to do this for 1 week, okay? Wish me luck. I hope I grow like an inch or something.
Human again. One more shot. One more shot. You all night. I'll take my time to love you once again. One more shot. Give me one more shot.
So I just want to show you guys how I like to keep my hair after I do the scalp massages. I like to comb from the bottom going up because it's easier to detangle your hair. After you've done an inverted head massage, you're definitely going to feel some knots in your hair. So this is how I like to detangle my hair. And I'm going to show you also how I like to tie my hair in a bun. As you can see, I brush all my hair forward and then I start twisting it. And right as I get to finishing my bun, I like to tuck the in bits of my hair into my bun because I've got to protect the tips of my hair and keep them moisturized. So for me, I feel like my hair has grown. I think it's grown a couple of centimeters. I wouldn't say an inch, but it has grown a little bit. So, I mean, if you guys want to use that Amla oil, you can. I think I should have applied it again like 2 days before I stopped. But I will be doing another tutorial with different hair oils, and I'll put the hair oils in. And for sure, like, I have tried the one with the oils that I personally mix, and my hair has grown an inch overnight. In fact, I'll record it for you guys so you can kind of see the growth from the day before and now. And just to like show with evidence, I'll use like some newspaper or something, you know, so that you guys can see the difference. But please let me know what you think of the hair tutorial, if you guys liked it, if you didn't. If you do try it out or you have your own tips and tricks, by all means leave them in the comments. If you want me to try any hair tutorials or anything like that, also leave that in the comments, and I'm so willing to try anything for you guys. Anyway, I hope you subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Mwah!
Just